Chapter 7. Clothes we wear. Let's learn about purpose of clothing. Fibers used in making clothes. Clothes worn in different regions. Clothes for different seasons. Handmade and machine-made fabrics. Care of clothes. A very long time ago, when man lived in caves, he used animal skin and dried leaves to cover himself. Gradually, with the passage of time, man started wearing clothes made up of different materials. Do you know how are clothes made? Clothes are made through wearing and tailoring, and nowadays they are done with the help of high-tech machines. All these are possible only with the development of science. Infobit. Clothes can be both stitched and unstitched. Purpose of clothing. Clothes are used for various purposes. Clothes protect our body from heat, cold, rain, dust and insects. We look smart and feel confident in good attires. We can identify the job of a person through his or her uniform. Clothes for different seasons. In hot weather, we wear cotton clothes. These clothes allow the body heat to escape and absorb sweat also. White or light colored clothes suit the hot weather because they reflect the heat and keep the body cool. But generally, people avoid wearing nylon and polyester in hot weather. In cold weather, we wear woolen clothes. These keep our body warm. Such clothes do not allow the body heat to escape, so we feel warm. Dark colored clothes are warm because they absorb sunlight. In the rainy season, we wear raincoats and gumboots. They protect us from water. We wear them over the usual summer clothes. Infobit. Cotton was first used in India and spread from there through Asia and finally to Europe. Fibers used in making clothes. Clothes can be made from natural or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers. These fibers come from nature, either from plants or from animals. Plants give us cotton, jute and lines fibers. Animals give us silk and wool fibers. Clothes made from natural fiber is more comfortable to wear. For example, cotton cloth has tiny spaces between its threads that air pass through. This allows the skin to breathe and sweat to dry easily. This is why we feel cool wearing cotton clothes in summer. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Special chemicals made from byproducts of petroleum are used for making synthetic fibers. Clothes made from these fibers are called synthetic clothes. Nylon, polyester and rayon are synthetic man-made fibers. Synthetic cloth is strong and lasts for a longer time. It is wrinkle-free and does not require ironing. Synthetic clothes do not absorb water and dry quickly. These are not as comfortable as cotton. We should not wear synthetic clothes near the fire since they can catch fire easily. Alphabet. Synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon and polyester are not found in nature. They are prepared artificially and are called man-made fabrics. These fabrics are stretchable, waterproof and wrinkle-free. They dry very quickly. Synthetic fabrics are non-porous. Handmade and machine-made fabrics. Hand-spun and hand-woven cloth is called khadi. If spinning and weaving is done by hand, it is called handloom fabric. Nowadays, small power looms are set up and traditionally the cloth woven by them is called handloom. Large-scale quantity of cloth is made by using big power looms in mills. Machine-spun and machine-woven cloth of mills is called mill cloth. Clothes worn in different regions. People living in different regions wear clothes depending on the climate and the tradition of their region. The dress of a person living in Srinagar will be different from one living in Chennai. People living in different countries wear different types of clothes. They wear clothes on the type of weather in their region. Uniforms. People wear special clothes for specific work. Doctors and nurses wear white coats. People working in factories wear overalls. A soldier wears a uniform made from tough material so that it does not tear easily. You wear a uniform to school so that you can be recognized as a student of your school. Socks and shoes. Socks and shoes are also a part of our clothes. We wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, germs and worms. Walking barefoot can cause cuts. Dirt, germs and worms may get into the cut and cause an infection. Do not wear wet or dirty socks or tight shoes. Care of clothes. We must always wear neat and clean clothes. After washing the clothes, the water should be properly squeezed out of the clothes to dry them faster. Then the clothes should be ironed. Silk and woolen clothes should be washed in gentle soap. Any tear in the dress should be mended in time. Clothes must be stored properly. Woolen and silk clothes are easily attacked by insects. So we should keep mothballs and dried neem leaves between them to keep the insects away. Woolen clothes should be dry cleaned. If we take good care of our clothes, they will last long and will look smart. Key points. Clothes protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. We must wear clothes that are suited to the season. Clean clothes make us look smart and keep us healthy. Shoes and socks protect our feet from dust, heat, cold and infection. Regular washing and proper storing of clothes make them last longer.